Procore is being promoted as an all-in-one construction management platform, but the real question is whether it actually improves project workflows or just adds complexity. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Procore is one of the most widely used construction platforms, designed specifically to manage projects, budgets, documents, and teams in one place. However, here's the key point. It's very powerful, but not ideal for everyone. There are some strong positives. First, it's truly all-in-one. Procore covers project management, RFIs, submittals, schedules, financial tracking and cost control document, and drawing management team collaboration across office and site. Second, great for large teams. It allows unlimited users and centralized data, so everyone, from contractors to project managers, works from the same system. User ratings are also high overall, around 4.5/5. Especially for functionality and support. That said, there are important downsides. First, expensive. Pricing is custom and often high, especially for small companies. Second, steep learning curve. The platform is feature-heavy, which means training is often required setup, can take time new users may feel overwhelmed. So, is Procore good for construction? Yes, but only for the right type of company. The bottom line is this. Procore is a top-tier construction management platform that works extremely well for medium to large construction firms managing complex projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.